राम जी की निकली सवारी, राम जी की लीला है।
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Triple N Media. I am Dr. Nick Nikam, and today we are going to be talking about the Diwali and Dasara Mela happening at the Skeeters Stadium on October 20th, 2018, starting at 4 p.m. This is the 7th Dasara Mela, which is going to be happening at the Skeeters Stadium, and to talk about that, I have three special guests. To my right is Geeta Ravula, who is going to be in charge of the programs, and next to her is Dr. Arun Verma, who is the originator of this Dasara Mela, and it has been going on since 2012, and we're going to talk about that. And next to Arun Verma is Kavita. And she's going to be talking about the Dasara Mela also. And all our programs are video streamed through our YouTube channel Nick Nikam, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. We also have a Facebook page where Triple N Media, where we bring you the latest news, views and opinions from around the world. But today we are going to be talking about the Diwali and the Dasara Mela. Welcome to Triple N Media, Arun and Geeta and Kavita. We're delighted to have you. Arun, let me start off with you. Give us a little bit about background about this Diwali, about this Diwali and Dasara Mela, and what got you interested in doing this one.
Well, Nick, what we observed is the Diwali and Dashara, as you know, are the biggest festivals of India. And we felt that the people in Houston and surrounding areas are missing on it. This Diwali and Dashara festival is taken for granted by every person in India, from elders to children, and we felt that we need to bring that here to Houston, and so we started this event in 2012.
That's fascinating, and I have been to many of these programs and I have been involved with this, and it's a fascinating experience, especially for the younger generation, to see what Indian culture, heritage and mythology has to offer in terms of rich experience at the Skeeters Stadium. So let's talk with Geeta, and maybe you can tell us something about some of the events that are going to be happening during the 4 or 5 hours of the festivities.
It's a very elaborate festival. We are very excited, very excited because it's just in 6 hours. It's going to be a display of rich Indian culture. So Nikchi, like you said, I was also being involved with the Diwali Dashara festival from the beginning. Every year it is beautiful. It is more beautiful. It's getting more beautiful, and we add events and we make whatever we have. We make it extra special, extra colorful. You know, and talking about the events, starting from the beginning, like entrance, the stadium, Skeeters Stadium is going to be lit. Very beautifully lit, and there will be Ganesh welcoming, a big tall Ganesh welcoming. There will be Ramayan wall where people can click selfies, and 4 to 6 p.m. is freebies hours. So we are going to give away a lot of freebies. That's how we are going to start. Cricket bats, t-shirts and whatnot. So many freebies are going to be given, and the program itself, the stage program is so beautiful. It starts with costume contest and a lot of best dance schools in town. Good place. This time I'll be bringing 10 Vishnus. It's a spectacular show on 10 avatars of Vishnu with a grandiose wedding of Ramji. So we want the Houstonians to come and enjoy this. It's actually not just Houstonians, there'll be people from all over the country pouring into this Diwali Dashara festival. Another new thing this program brings this year is Brides of India. So Brides of India, where we'll be representing, it's a fusion show where brides from each state of India will be representing their state. So it's a beautiful program, and there is Ram Leela play. It's a fierce battle between Ram and Ravan, and it's action-packed. And again, grand coronation of Bhagwan Ramji will be there. So it's a wonderful program. If you want to see the divine. We are going to bring the divine close to you, as well as with lot of shopping exclusive. This time Arunji has brought Meena Bazaar last year. It
That
was
is,
so successful, right, Arunji?
That is correct. There's going to be close to 50 what we call stalls, which are going to be beautifully decorated with pipe and silk drapes and Diwali lights, and they are going to be selling different items which are traditional during this Diwali and Dussehra period. And last year we had created this Meena Bazaar, which is exclusive for the ladies, so jewelry or clothing, if I can speak in Hindi, the items of Sola Shingar, those are which are available, going to be available, and that was a very busy spot last year. So we are enlarging the Meena Bazaar. There's going to be food booths, about 9 food booths, which are going to be serving cuisine from east, west, north and south of India. So every palate is going to be every taste is going to be available at that. Now, the Geeta ji also mentioned the Ram Leela play and others. In addition to that, we have a number of dance schools which are going to be participating in folk dances and things like that. There is a surprise item which we are going to be mentioning probably in our next episode, which is going to be a mind-blowing experience for everybody. Of course, this year, Nick, I think you probably know, our Texas governor has agreed to participate in this festivities, and he's going to be our chief guest. And we have a beautiful parade, which is going to be about 50 different floats from various temples, various Indian and American organizations which participate in this parade. And Congressman Pete Olson is going to be leading that parade. It's going to be spectacular. We have also the traditional effigies of Ravan, Kumbhakaran and Meghnath, which are going to be packed with firecrackers and fireworks. So they are going to be lit close to the end of the festival, followed by fireworks, and fireworks are going to be spectacular. Everybody tells us that our fireworks are the best in Houston. I think we are going to better that this year.
Fascinating. Ladies and gentlemen, you have been watching Triple N Media. We are talking about Diwali and the Dussehra Mela, which is going to be happening at the Skeeters Stadium on October 20th, 2018. And you can get your tickets. They are only $6. You can get them at sitaramfoundation.org, Sulekha.com, or Eventbrite, or hamtumdesi.com. Let's talk to Kavita and tell us what can we expect from your perspective.
This Mela is not just for any particular age group. This is for everyone. Call it for the seniors, call it for the students, call it for middle-aged people. Everyone are going to have fun. Like we have for the women, as already Arunji said, we have Meena Bazaar, or we also call it as a Diwali Bazaar. In India, we always wait for the Diwali time, where we can find out different variety of items that is available. So that is going to be fantastic experience for everyone out there. And for the kids, we have a lot of attractions. We have petting zoo, we have pony rides, we have lot many moonwalks, and there are also photo booths available there. So you can take unlimited photographs there and have memories for this particular event.
Don't forget to mention the clowns, the free clowns, the free balloons, shooting the Ravan game, the Ravan Pinata. I think kids will have their hands full, with the activities over there. We have specially catered to all ages, right from babies in arms to elders in wheelchairs. So this festival is for everybody. Everybody must enjoy and will enjoy. We will guarantee that. The other thing we also have for the elders, we have got 2 temples which are going to be, one in the concourse, which is going to be maintained by Hanuman Swami, one of the priests of the temples in Houston, and in the field, which is going to be manned by Meenakshi Temple priests. So people can pay their respects to the Lord and the prasad, as always, is going to be brought from Ayodhya directly. So, so everybody.
We always wait for that.
No, and divine meet and greet.
Yes,
You can meet your favorite god and take a selfie, take a picture with your favorite god. So divine meet and greet, which means there are people. Yes, it's very exciting. Last time it was so successful. Kids, adults, everybody wanted to take pictures with live gods. So
Like
you cannot
Hanumanji,
miss it. Yes.
Ramanji, anyone you
Yes.
name, they're going to be there and you're going to have a selfie with them.
I think.
And Maha-Aarti.
Yes. Oh, yes.
You should
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Thousands
Maha-Aarti.
of candles.
One is that one of the freebies is that first 1,000 people are going to get free LED diyas, which they can use for the Maha-Aarti. So please come early. And the other thing I wanted to mention is that we are looking for volunteers. We are looking for, there are a few merchandise booths which are still available. So please give us a call for both the volunteers who want to offer their services, as well as the food booths are all closed. They are all closed. Only the merchandise booths are available. So please call at 713-597-6941 if you want to get a booth. And I can tell you, we had all the booths were reserved well ahead of the festival, and we are expecting that to happen again. We are close to about 80% of the booths are already counted for. People are already.
Awesome. Yeah, let's talk about registrations, because kids are looking forward and people want to perform. The dance registrations are almost closed. Dance performers,
The
right?
dance is all
So-
closed as well.
But
We already have enough dance schools.
dance schools. But costume contest is still open for kids. Kids can dress up beautifully. Any character from Ramayana, Mahabharata, any Indian culture they want to represent. So that's open. And Shiv Bharat, one of the special items will be in the float parade. The Shira parade will be Shiv Bharat. We're taking registrations
grand
for
success last
year,
Last
and we are
year,
going to make it even better this year. Shivji will be riding on a bull, and he will be, I think he's going to go for a Bharat, which is, he's going to prepare for his wedding.
That's
So-
correct. The scenario we are going to be depicting, or the jhanki we are going to depicting, is that Lord Shiva is on his way to Parvati's house for the wedding. So this is all the devils and the bhoot pret and goblins. Everybody is participating in the Bharat, and then you'll see the craziness of the
And
Bharat.
it's a nice concept, Nick. The reason everybody participates in Shiv Bharat is Shivji is all embracing. So that's why everybody participates, and such a very, very, very beautiful scene. And that being said, we are also taking auditions. We are going to call for auditions shortly, and for Shiv Bharat, and for floats, and for Brides of India. So if you are interested in participating in this glorious event, give us
It's
a
a
call.
golden opportunity
Yes,
for
it is.
everyone.
It is.
Absolutely.
You can be a god model,
That's true, and let me repeat again, people who are interested in getting a photograph with the governor or the congressman, come on time, and they are going to be there. They are going to be talking as well as leading the parade, so you'll get an opportunity to shake hands with them, as well as get a photograph with them.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you have been listening to Triple N Media. We are talking about the Diwali Dasara Mela, which is going to be happening on October 20th to 2018 at the Skeeters Stadium, starting at 4 p.m. And you can get your tickets at sulekha.com or sitaramfoundation.org or Eventbrite or even at Hum2Desi. It's going to be one of the unique programs in Houston, which will be highlighted by costume contests, music, dance, cultural programs, and Ram Leela stage show, followed by fireworks and also a spectacular parade of more than 50 floats, and which is going to be graced by the Texas Governor Greg Abbott. This place is going to be jam-packed with more than 10,000 people, so please do get your tickets early so so that you get a nice seat to enjoy the entire evening program, and you can bring your kids and they can have plenty of things to play around, and also there's going to be plenty of Indian food. This is going to be a feast for the mind, body and soul. So please do get your tickets, and we will see you on October 20th, 2018 at the Skeeters Stadium. Geeta, thank you so much.
Thank
Arun,
you.
Thank you,
Thank you, and
Thank you.
Kavita, thank you for being on the program.
it will be a sold out show.
Sure.
So you need to hurry
You can see
and
the
get
best- the best in Houston.
Lot of registrations are coming, and it's going to be a sold out show. So hurry, don't wait, because tickets are going to be $10 after September 30th. So
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, and please do get your tickets, and we will see you on October 20th, 2018.
Jai
Shri
Shri
Ram.
Ram.
Jai Shri Ram.